Okay, YouTubers, today we're going to microwave some popcorn in a microwave-safe bowl that I bought at some garage sale or something. I'm not using oil this time. The bowl was previously used. I wiped it out, so it's still slightly oily-like, but we're going to see how this works without the oil. Let's see how this works out. And I got a 1,000-watt microwave by Hamilton Beach. It's kind of noisy, where the buttons are. Let's say cook 3 minutes 45 seconds and start. Also, they're always saying put things in a microwave safe bowl. Well, I bought stuff that was just specifically for microwaves. I think I went to either Target or Walmart or one of them places. These are good for like leftover fast food hamburgers that you bring home. You know, heat them up. This one's pretty cool. I've yet to try it on Spam, but this is for doing bacon, and it's reversible. It's got a flat side too. I usually, instead of sticking a dish in a microwave, I just put stuff on here and, put the lid on it. The lid goes on either side. Well, this way you're not using up so much paper toweling or whatever. So let's see how this is going here. Sounds like it's working. see if I can do this without burning myself. I probably could have went a whole 4 minutes with this. Whew, dang, this is hot. Ooh, yep. That's what happens. The steam on the lens. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye.